When we think about plastic pollution, we usually picture crowded cities, polluted beaches, or industrial coastlines. But far away from all of that, in some of the most remote parts of the Pacific Ocean, fish are already carrying plastic inside their bodies. A recent scientific study shows that even in isolated island waters, plastic pollution has quietly entered the marine food web. Researchers examined fish caught near Fiji, Tonga, Tuvalu, and Vanuatu regions, often thought to be protected by distance and isolation. The findings were alarming. About 1 out of every 3 fish studied contained microplastics. These are tiny plastic particles that are nearly impossible to see, but can be easily consumed by marine life. Fiji showed especially high contamination levels, with nearly 3/4 of sampled fish containing microplastics. Vanuatu had much lower levels, with contamination found in only a small fraction of fish. The researchers didn't just look at where the fish were caught, they also studied how different fish live and feed. They discovered that fish associated with coral reefs and those living near the ocean floor were far more likely to ingest. These fish often feed on small invertebrates or forage along the seabed, where plastic particles tend to settle and accumulate. 2 common species found across all 4 countries showed much higher contamination levels in Fiji than elsewhere. This suggests that local factors such as population density, coastal development, and waste management systems play a major role in how much plastic ends up in the ocean. This issue goes far beyond marine ecosystems. For Pacific Island communities, fish are not just a food source. They are central to culture, livelihoods, and daily survival. Many families rely on fish as their primary source of protein. Even though the amount of plastic found in each fish was small, long-term exposure raises serious concerns for human health and food security. The study also revealed that most of the microplastics found were fibers, likely coming from clothing, fishing gear, and synthetic materials. This shows that plastic pollution isn't only made up of bottles and bags. It includes microscopic fibers that travel through water, settle on reefs, and enter the food chain unnoticed. The message from this research is clear. Distance no longer protects the ocean. Even the most remote waters are vulnerable to human activity. Scientists warn that improving waste management alone is not enough. Real change will require global action to reduce plastic production and prevent plastic from entering the environment in the first place. Because protecting the ocean isn't just about saving marine life, it's about protecting the people who depend on it.